have you all been? All of you?
Fine.
Fine.
Superb.
Superb. Amazing. Oh my God, Munib, I can finally hear you. Oh my
I'm
God.
on a different laptop.
Oh, that's amazing, Munib. I love it. I love how you are able to answer now. And yes, so welcome again. Trust me, this session you will not get bored. Very interesting topic today, you know. Yes, Munib is on a different planet. Very true. Hey, Saklan, did you make your video?
No.
No?
I'll make tomorrow.
Yeah, I'm waiting for the video, okay? So Saklan has a YouTube channel, if you all know.
Login.
Saklan's Ability. So please subscribe and see Saklan, you should give me something, you know, I'm publicizing your YouTube channel. So do subscribe, okay? Show support to Saklan's Ability.
I'll
Come
give
on.
you the play button.
Inshallah, inshallah. I don't want. It's for you. It's for your. The play button you'll get is for your hard work. Okay, Saklan. Wish you a lot of success. Okay, so there's a minute to go. We'll wait for the others to come. By the time, yes. Now this is perfect. Okay, by the time I want you all to tell me about fashion.
What about fashion specifically?
Anything about fashion. What do you think fashion is to you? Your concept of fashion. Come on. Wasam is so happy to see me.
Style.
Style. Okay. Yes, Safia. How about you? What's fashion to you?
Clothes.
Clothes.
Yeah.
Okay. Moneen says clothes. Amina says style.
My fashion is when ladies they do like this. They put makeup. They wear new dresses.
Okay, so Safia says fashion is all the nakhre nazakat that the ladies do. Really, Safia, fashion is only for the ladies? Saklan, how about
No,
you?
ma'am. For everyone.
Yes,
Some
for
people they
everyone.
wear in wedding they wear coat, and the brides wear this long gown of them. That is all
So
fashion.
pretty. Oh, that is all fashion. Saklan, how about you?
Clothes.
What's fashion, Saklan?
I'm about clothes.
Clothes is fashion. Okay, same as Moni. How about you, Eminem brothers? They are sharing some inside joke on mute, and they are not telling us, and they are grinning and they are laughing, having a good time over. Yes, Eminem brothers. You know, I can make out when you lisp also. Like when your lips move now, I can make out what you're trying to say. Anyway, tell me, what is fashion to you? Okay, what are you all wearing right now?
T-shirt.
Clothes.
T-shirt. Of course, Amina, you wouldn't wear banana leaves and come to class, right? You would wear
Ma'am, but
clothes.
African people they wear.
Yes, now that's fashion, and that's so close to nature. Doesn't it remind you of land
Egyptian
on
people put
life
makeup,
on
that's
land
also
SDG
fashion,
goal
ma'am.
number 15? Anyway, I'll not bore you with that. Humaira, hello and welcome. How are you, Humaira? Okay, Humaira's still setting her technology.
I remember the SSC period when you said that makeup thing. That the Egyptians put makeup.
They do.
I
They
remember that
used to
thing.
actually. They used to. But and now everybody in the world puts makeup. Right?
Not everybody, ma'am.
Why?
Men don't do nowadays.
Men don't do makeup.
Because the world has changed.
Isn't that a stereotype?
A few men do though, like
A
My-
few do.
Only
Yes.
ma'am few, not everybody.
And that's okay. That's okay.
I
it's
also
like
don't
James
makeup.
Charles.
James Charles. Yes. Oh my God. You know him. I don't believe it. There's also one more. Brett. What's his name? Brett something. Even he puts makeup. Amazing skills, like, you know. Okay. Now what I want y'all to do is I'll divide y'all into groups. Okay. A team of 2. That's it.
Ah, good.
And
So
of
team
course,
five already have-
our very first team is the Eminem brothers. Okay. Then we have, how about Amina and Safia team up together? Yes? Is that
And
okay with
Farhana
you?
would be also be okay.
Yes. And Farhana and Humaira.
Ma'am.
Okay. So, so we have
This is opposite.
Amina and Safia as a team. We have Farhana and Humaira as a team. We
Fine.
have the Eminem brothers as a team. and then we have Saklan and Munib's team. All right.
That's
so what
better.
you have to do is I'm going to share the Jamboard link to you. Okay, and that Jamboard link you have to quickly. So the Eminem brothers will get slide 1.
Ma'am, we can't see any slide first of all.
No, I'm not showing any slide. I'm just telling it to you. So remember,
Slide
remember
1.
the assigned slides. You have to work only on that slides. Is
Okay,
it clear?
ma'am.
Okay.
Is it internet searching?
Sorry.
Is that slide internet searching? That was searching the internet.
Okay. So the Eminem brothers get slide 1. Saklan and Munif get slide 2. Abdullah, if Ahmed comes, you'll get slide 3. Abdullah, can you hear me? Hello, Abdullah.
Ma'am.
Okay. Amina and Safia, you get slide 4, and Farhana and Humaira, you all have slide 5.
Fine.
All right. Remember your slides. And there you are. I hope this helps. Go.
I'm going to click on that.
Yes, yes. I think it will take you to the Jamboard, and it's shareable. It's editable. Now, what you guys have to do is on that Jamboard. Do you see the Jamboards? Yes.
Yes.
What do you see? Eminem brothers, tell me what do you see? Unmute.
Clothing, ma'am.
Clothing. Okay, so there is a man already dressed. All right.
Loading, ma'am.
Loading. I heard
Ooh.
clothing. Okay, it's loading.
Something.
All right, let it load. No
Fine.
problem. Now do you see it?
Ye clothing there. Yes.
Yes. Okay. So there is a man already clothed. All right.
Ma'am, when I clicked on that link, there were 2 tabs open.
Why would that be?
Tabs open.
Let me see.
And the both were fashion only. Like, both were same.
Same thing. Do you see this?
Listen.
Listen. ये भी वही है नहीं. Eminem brothers. Only slide 1 पे रहो बस. इधर उधर जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. ठीक है? Stay on slide 1. The others will go to frame 2, frame 3. When you come
How to change it? There's a man on my this.
No. See, Safia, there's a side arrow. Amina, can you do it for her? I mean, if you do it on your screen, Safia, if you press the side arrow, you will get this movement also.
We have slide 4, right?
Left side 4. No, not left 4, right 4.
The
You're right.
man is so confusing.
Sorry. I've never been good with instructions. Anyway, neither do I give good instruction nor do I follow one.
All the slides are same.
No. So 4 and 5 are with a woman, and 1 to 3 are with a man. Okay. Now
Mama, come here.
here is a general instruction for you. What you have to do is, when I ask you to अभी से कपड़े मत पहनाओ उसको, ठीक है? रुक जाओ.
Mama,
When I ask you to
doesn't get changed.
when I ask
this
you
thing.
to dress the person in front of you in the
I
most
need to change this arrow,
comfortable
but this is not
attire or apparel, okay, the most comfortable attire or
I know
apparel,
you have to click the arrow
the
to
person
move
in
it.
front of you
To go.
doesn't want to it doesn't have work to do, okay, is feeling very lazy and laid back, wants to be very comfortable. All right, so on the count of 3 you go and dress them.
Done.
I'm comfy.
Extremely comfy and lazy. How would you dress the person in front of you? Let me see. कुछ हो रहा है. Okay, track pants on. Okay, Eminem brothers, गंजी पहना दी उसको. That is basketball jersey, by the way.
Done, ma'am.
हद हो गई है मतलब. Oh, Saklan. Saklan, is that your second slide? Is you, Saklan?
Yes.
Basketball jersey and shorts. Those are formal shorts, huh, Saklan, by the way, just so you know. Let me see what the girls have done.
Done.
Okay, Amina, there you are. Slide number 4.
Yes.
And slide number 5 has nobody. Kincha na? Chalo. Saklan, try again. That's comfortable for you. Oh, M&M Brothers track pants and basketball jersey. Okay, yes, that's comfort for you. But you know, the best attire that I liked was Amina's. You know why?
Ma'am,
You know
Because
why?
even you are wearing
Ma'am.
that.
Yes, because even I'm wearing that. It's hoodie. Okay, don't you guys like hoodies?
Ma'am,
Yes,
can you please
Abdullah.
send the link again?
Oh, sure.
I
Abdullah.
just came in.
Sure, Abdullah. I'll send it again. No worries. There you go. Abdullah, slide number 3, okay? Yes, Munib, you like it. I love hoodies. Okay, it's my all-time favorite. You ask me to wear hoodies every day, specifically black, I would wear it every day. But unfortunately, India is tropical and we can't wear hoodies. Right now, I'm feeling very hot, but just for y'all, I'll wear it. Yay! Okay, now about hoodies. So everybody, I assume, likes hoodies, right? Yes or no? Yes.
Ma'am, which slide, ma'am?
3. Abdullah,
Only in
slide number 3.
winters though.
Ahmed, you too. Slide number
Only
3.
in winters.
Only in winters. Oh, okay, that's cool. Yeah, but I like hoodies all season, like all. It's like a perennial outfit for me, you know, year long. All right, so today's session we will see about how. Have you all ever wondered how these hoodies came up? Like, fashion has a lot of trends, but what must have happened that they were forced to make a hoodie? Like they thought of making a hoodie. Any idea? A wild guess, maybe.
They used to feel cold.
They were feeling cold, so they could have worn a cardigan, right, or a sweatshirt.
Oh, but they made this material more thicker.
All right, but you know, I mean, I have a hoodie that is on with a lighter fabric.
They came up that idea from a raincoat.
Okay, they came up with the idea from a raincoat. That's excellent. So they thought that maybe a raincoat is something that protects us from the rain. So why not have something that will protect us from the harsh weather, right? Of winters. Munib, excellent answer, Munib. Okay, now I have this. Hoodies are actually a symbol. I'll share my slide with you. And we'll explore as to how this piece of clothing came out. Okay. Now you see. Okie dokie. All right, hoodies. There you go. Okay, it is a symbol of comfort and peace. Agree or disagree? Comfort. It is a symbol of comfort. Okay, you are feeling lazy. You don't want to have bath, dress up that day. Completely fine. A little perfume and a hoodie on saves you, doesn't it? All right. Now let us see.
Only sometimes.
Sometimes. Why are you guys so skeptical?
When you're going to Antarctica, that time only.
Okay, okay.
Otherwise, it isn't.
Yes, acceptable, Satya. Acceptable.
Or when the teacher asks you to wear that time
You see
only.
this man, you see this man. Okay, this man is actually wearing a robe with a hood, only a hood, all right. And the Ertugrul fans might know he is Titus. Okay,
He is an Englishman.
yes, he's an Englishman and he's Titus and he's dressed as a monk habit. Yeah. All right. So the idea of attaching hood to your shirt came from year 1660s. Okay, back then it's very ancient. But you see these athletes, it was earlier introduced as a sportswear only for athletes. All right. So something the athletes, they used to work out and they used to participate in various kind of sports. So they always wore a sweatshirt after it. All right. But the athletes had one complaint. They would always complain of one thing, which led to the origin and designing of a hoodie. Can you think of that? What do you think would be the reason?
They used to feel very hot.
They could not play it.
So they would feel hot, therefore they would want to wear a hoodie. How about you guys go on Mentimeter and give your opinions? Okay, so I will share a link of Mentimeter. You read the question thoroughly, and then you tell me, give me your opinions. All right, there you go. I'll also share my screen so that we see how our opinions look like. Okay, there we are. Just in case if you guys want the code, it's there on the screen. The question is, why do you think the hoodie was designed as a sportswear? For comfort, all right. Also write your name so that I know from who the response is. Makes it easy. Why did the
And we
athletes?
can only give one answer.
Can you, Amina?
Yeah,
I don't
it's
know.
not allowing to give an answer.
Okay, that's it. So I guess that's your answer, Amina, for comfort. It's the reason I kept it because I want to read everybody's response. So if you keep on giving multiple responses, there are certain students in the class who don't. For protection from the elements. Who's that?
Mama.
What would have, like, what do you think the athletes were undergoing in order for them, the sports industry, for them to make a hoodie? Yes, I have only 2 responses so far. Are you there with me, children?
Yes.
Did you understand the question? Yes. So you are there and you understood the question, but still there is no answer. Okay, Eminem brothers say for warmth. That's very, very close. Eminem brothers, that's the closest answer I've gotten so far. Come on, give it a try. Think a little. Critical thinking. What must have happened that the athletes wanted a hoodie? They had sweatshirts, but they wanted something to cover their heads. Okay, to protect them from cold. Saklan, I gave away the answer, didn't I? More cozy and comfortable. Okay. Okay, so there we have the correct answer with us, to protect them from cold. All right. Thank you so much for participating, who did. Now, the reason was athletes, they would work out, so they would emit a lot of energy and they would feel hot and stuff like that. Okay, and there we have Ertugrul with us to class. All right. So what used to happen was the entire body would get heated. Okay, entire body would get heated, and they would wear sweatshirt from the cold to, like, to protect themselves and keep the body warm itself. But their head used to be always open. Their head would be always open. So athletes started complaining that our head turns cold. All right, after we work out and we come, we need something to cover our head. That is when the Champion company, you all know the Champion Sports Apparel company?
Yes.
These people, this dude, these are the athletes, all right, who wore hoodies back then in the 1920s. Okay, so this was the first company to ever attach a hood to a sweatshirt. Okay, this hood, they thought of attaching it to a sweatshirt, and that's how they came up with this new invention, this new innovation in fashion industry called a hoodie. All right. Unfortunately, the Champion company and the brand couldn't just keep it as a sportswear. So what happened next was it attract a lot of attention of the designers, and it was like a celebration, a season of hoodies. So it was like a super celebration then. And the fashion designing companies such as Coco Chanel, heard of it? most of the Indians call it as Chanel. Chanel nahi hai, Coco Chanel. Okay. And then another company that followed, another brand I would say rather followed, was Norma Kamali's brand. All right. So because there was no trademark to the hoodie, the idea was taken from from the sportswear to into something fashionable and trended worldwide. All right. So hoodie was found everywhere there. Hoodie was found on campuses, college, universities, on runway, concerts, protests. Okay. Wherever you go, it was one apparel that you could wear all the time. And it started a trend called as athleisure trend. Okay. Very athletic also, but you can wear it for leisure purposes as well. Okay, so hoodies were not they were not flashy, they were comfortable, and they were democratic. Okay, when I say the word democratic, how do you think hoodies are democratic?
Because everyone can wear them.
Perfect, excellent, Mudabbir. Everybody can wear them. Okay, so you don't have any branding on it. You don't have any person claiming it. No, hoodies are only supposed to be worn by politicians. No, only the students can wear hoodies. No, everybody could wear it. Okay, anywhere and everywhere. So that's how hoodies were democratic. Okay, but hoodies not only were comfort and democratic, they set a cultural impact. They had a huge cultural impact. All right. So what happened was hoodie came into fashion and it was found on the runways. Okay. So they started with the industrialization of hoodie. They took it into textile, and Norma Kamali was the brand that used the jersey textile in order to make hoodies. Okay. So what happened was it set a huge cultural impact in the fashion industry. Okay, and it was found on the runways. Can you tell me which SDG goal this reminds you of? Anybody? Industry, innovation. How about we see? Which SDG goal?
9.
9. SDG goal number 9. That's right. We'll go back. Okay, there we are. Okay, so that was the part of fashion. Okay, this is SDG goal number 9, where hoodies came into fashion. They were innovation and they started with the textile industry. Okay, now hoodie also provided anonymity. What do you mean by anonymity? Anybody?
If you don't want to show someone who you are.
Exactly. Especially when you want to conceal your identity, right? Okay, so that's anonymity. Now, who do you think would use hoodies for anonymous purposes?
Disguise and spies.
The spies, all right.
Thieves, robbers.
The thieves and robbers, excellent, Farhana.
Detectives.
The detectives, okay. Who else? Suppose I am
One person like
Police
I am
to capture the thieves.
I am Shah Rukh Khan, for
police can
example.
also use it.
Celebrities.
Celebrities, that's right. I am not Shah Rukh Khan. Okay. So celebrities would use it. Farhana says
And
robbers and thieves.
A person who wants to attack someone secretly, they will use it.
Oh, that's right. That's right. The burglars. Okay. Somebody who
Not
wants to
like that.
attack. No, not like that. Okay. They would wear hoodie. Fine. So what happened was people would wear hoodie for anonymity, especially the thieves and the burglars, as pointed out by Farhana. All right. So you have this perfect street and a wall, and you want to go spray painting. Grab a hoodie. Okay. Nobody would know who you are. So that is breaking the law. People, if they wanted to break the law, they would wear hoodies. So what happened was hoodie did not only have a positive cultural impact on the fashion industry, but it also had a negative impact on the society. Okay, it gave a lot of rise to thefts, breaking laws, and lot of murders. All right, all unethical things in the society. And they used it not only on the runways, but they also used it to run away. All right. So hoodies had two purposes. It was on the runway and it was used for run away. Now, this word Trayvon Martin. Have you heard of him? Never heard of Trayvon Martin? All right, I'll tell you. So here is a little story about Trayvon Martin. This dude you see over here, looking like Junior Muhammad Ali, right there, is Trayvon Martin. And on February 26, 2012, he was shot dead. All right. And the only reason he was shot dead was because he was wearing a hoodie. Doesn't make sense, right? You'll be like, बेचारे का क्या गलती, उसने खाली हुडी पहना था. Right? Exactly the reason. So in this small town of Florida, there were a lot of thefts, breaking into houses, murders, drug dealings. So all these cases took rise in this small town of Florida. All right. And people and the police officials over there decided that it was done by a group of people. Okay. So they decided to just make a sketch. And that gang who did all these unethical tasks used to always wear hoodies. It was like the dress code. All right. So they would wear hoodie. And that area, the town, there was a post where they posted just a silhouette of a person wearing a hoodie, okay, and said suspicious. Okay, that gave a very opposite what the officials had in their mind. The actual opposite thing happened. Okay, so the locals over there would be suspicious of everybody wearing hoodie. Okay, anybody wearing hoodie in the middle of the night. All right. Now, one fine day, actually nighttime, Trayvon Martin was walking towards his home from a convenience store. Okay, so he went to the convenience store, got something, and poor guy wearing a hoodie just walking lazily down. And there was this white man who was sitting in the car, and he saw Trayvon Martin walking towards his home in the neighborhood. All right. Now Trayvon, maybe he was tired the entire day, so he just he was looking down and hands in his pocket, and he was having a casual walk. The man suspected Trayvon to be a person from the gang. All right. And he called 911. 911 told him to stay inside the car. Yet the man did not listen. He stepped out. He had a little rack-a-chat with Trayvon. And that led to the man shooting Trayvon on the spot. And Trayvon died. Sole reason, because Trayvon was wearing a hoodie, which made that man suspicious that maybe he is from a gang. All right. Now, can you relate this to the recent incident that happened in America?
Yes. A boy was killed because he was black for black and white rights.
Yes. George Floyd. You must have heard about it, right? He was killed by in custody of policemen by a policeman. Okay, so a lot of racism and discrimination in the society. Children, we must not definitely give it a go, and we should not be encouraging it though. But that's how a hoodie had a negative cultural impact on the society. Okay, so as much as we love it, it did go through a very rough history. Okay. So, which SDG goal does this incident remind you of? You want to see?
Justice and
Yes, which one? Tell me the number.
peace, justice, and strong institutions.
Peace,
Gender
justice.
equality.
Really? Gender equality?
16. Peace,
16.
justice.
Peace,
16.
justice.
Peace,
Justice, peace, justice, and strong institutions. Ma'am, I think it's one.
You think it's no poverty?
Yes. Because this is poverty, ma'am. White and black, they are different. White people are. First in America, people used to do, the blacks are not allowed in anything.
Ma'am, it said reduce
No power.
inequality.
Yes, there you are. There you are with SDG goal number 10, reduce inequality. Okay, no discrimination on whatsoever basis at all. Correct. So there you
Also,
go.
no body correct.
So that is the story of Trevon Martin. Okay, he was a high schooler. He was a teenager, 17-year-old. All right, and that led to this hoodie. Basically, led to his death. Okay, that's what people say, and that is the reason you see the protesters are wearing hoodies. Okay, in respect for Trevon, and they are holding banners and whatever the protest is about. That the boy shouldn't have been shot. All right. Now, name a person. Now, not only that. So Trevon's thing put a very negative impact on hoodie. Right? But there was somebody few months later came wearing a hoodie for a very big meeting. Okay, the person wore a hoodie. The person wanted to change the entire meaning of hoodie. It wanted to bring into again a positive light. So the person wore a hoodie. The person wore a hoodie to a very big meeting, a Wall Street investors meeting. All right, and the world was shook. The media was shook. Okay, everybody was talking about this guy. Can you guess who that person is? Let me give you a hint. This guy has made a very famous social media app.
Mark Zuckerberg.
Yes, Mark Zuckerberg. That's right. Okay, so this guy right over there is his Wall Street investors meeting where he wants people to come and invest in his company. He wants money, and look at him go. What is he wearing?
Food.
A hoodie. Right?
That's unfair, na?
Why is it unfair?
Because he's white, and that person.
I love it, Safia. I love it. I love your observation. You see how people accepted a white man in a hoodie, but they couldn't accept a black man, a black boy wearing a hoodie. It's just sad, okay? And that is amazing how well you've done it, Safia. I mean, it's great observation. Okay, so in this we learned about 2 SDG goals. Hoodie taught us 2 SDG goals. You know, which one?
Reduce inequality.
Perfect. That's SDG goal number 10.
What is it?
Yes.
Hey, ma'am, what is it?
Goal
It was
number
an
16.
innovation. It was an innovation. It led to the fashion industry making a textile
Ma'am.
jersey.
Goal number 16
9.
and 9.
9 and
Okay.
10.
Yeah.
9.
16 we need to implement it. It's kind of linked, you know, all the SDG goals are linked together. Okay. So now, yes, I'm wearing a hoodie.
Ma'am, look.
You know, gotta stick to the theme. Black Lives Matter. Anyway, okay. So apart from that, it is SDG goal number 9 and 10. Okay. I have a very short and small quiz for you, 10-question quiz, and it's on.
What?
Oh, we actually completed this quite fast. Okay. How about we play the game later, and how about you share your experiences? I have a very funny story to tell anyway, but I want to listen first. Yes, any hoodie story you have?
Hoodie story, no.
Oh, Safia, think.
Ma'am, first you go.
Okay, so here's the thing, you know, I am crazy behind hoodie. I'm a little obsessed, you can say. Okay, so and I find it very difficult to find hoodies in the shops and all. So I have this little brother who's not so little, okay, and he has these amazing collection of hoodies. Okay, boys, take a note. Girls love hoodies. All right. So I occasionally sneak, open his closet, and I rob away his hoodies. Right. The poor boy wonders where his hoodies go. Shh, don't tell him. Nobody knows. Okay, I don't wear it in front of him, but I occasionally take away my brother's hoodies. And this hoodie that you see right now is one of these. And I've robbed it, and trust me, he's never seen this hoodie anytime soon now. Okay, So that is my story of having hoodies. Even when he was in school, I would take away his hoodies. I am 4 years older to him. Doesn't matter. Hoodies are life. Okay, hoodies are big. So I really love it. And I do take away all my brother's hoodies. Yes. Poor guy keeps on buying new ones. Good for me. But he takes away my t-shirts. Okay, so it's equal. Yeah, all my Adidas t-shirts are gone. Trust me. And because I take free size t-shirts, it fits him. Anyway, so that's my stupid story about hoodie. Anyway, how about you? Taken a hoodie from somebody, loved it, couldn't buy it, parents said no. Anything about hoodie. Come on. It's so much cool. I mean, I like it. You must have us. How many of you all have hoodies? Chalo, batao. Raise hand. You all have hoodies? Jao lekar. Go first, get it. Go. Why did you raise your hand? Go get it.
Ma'am, if you want, ask me, I have to check it in my cupboard. Like, do
Oh,
I have?
Amina, stand back and show us. Oh, that's lovely. It's a grey hoodie. It's amazing. Oh, I love the stripes, Amina. Is that Adidas?
No.
No? Okay, it's so pretty, Amina. How about you wear and show it to us? Who else? Munib, you don't have a hoodie? No problem, Munib. This year
But
you have to
I
buy
have
a
a
hoodie.
hoodie.
Or even better, what we can do is we can tell Daud sir to get Golden Sparrow hoodies first. Say what? Yes or oh?
We can have hoodies instead of Golden Sparrow t-shirts.
Yes.
No,
For winters, we can have Golden Sparrow hoodies. How about that? Oh my God, it's amazing. 1998. Perfect. I love it how the
ma'am, I
Eminem
would
brothers
say.
wore and came, you know. It's amazing. See, now we are
Ma'am,
starting.
but the hoodie should be very light. If some hoodies are so heavy.
Sure. So in Golden Sparrow now we'll make hoodies, but hoodies we'll make it a little lighter.
Ma'am, otherwise I have one more idea.
Because WeWork is fully air
Make a
conditioned.
hoodie on top of the shirt. So whenever you need it,
Sure.
you can wear
So
it and then...
we can have the apparels like being different. So when the winter starts, maybe we can have only hoodies
Yes.
in WeWork, and when it is summers, we can have WeWork t-shirt. Oh, there he is, Succulent. Oh, very nice, Succulent. That's awesome. That's cool. Banana, why don't you wear it? See, Amina showed us the hoodie. Eminem brothers wore it. You have my heart, both of you. Okay. And that's perfect. Any story behind hoodies? How did you get your hoodies? Eminem brothers. Just told about Abulai, bas.
No, ma'am. I asked my father to buy me a. No, I asked my grandmother to convince my father to buy me this hoodie.
एकदम शॉर्टकट मारा है, एकदम तीर निशाने पे लगना चाहिए, है ना? सीधा ग्रैंडमदर को अटैक करो तो डैड मना कर ही नहीं पाएंगे. That's amazing. That's awesome. How about you, Succulent?
I also steal my sister's hoodie sometimes.
Now this is turning the tables over, Succulent. This is too much. मतलब you have a sister stealing a brother's hoodie already. अभी ये भाई है जो बहन की hoodie चुराता है. कमाल की बात है.
I tell my sister to tell my mom to buy a boy's hoodie.
Okay, so that is what it is. You know, we have hoodies for girls also, but I never go in that section. I always head towards the gents section. Wo hoodies, they just call me from far. You know, yeah, they do that. So they call my name and the boys section tells me come and take this hoodie. The girls section hoodies are so like not to be that person, but it's
always pink, ma'am.
It's pink.
It's blue also and it's grey also. I got from girls section only.
Yeah, Amina, that's because you have a girl's body. Okay, I'm a man. All right. Anyway, so yeah, I mean, yes, they have blue. Blue looks smart actually if it is royal blue. I love grey hoodies also. Like you know.
We are wearing one.
There you are. Farana, how did you get your hoodie?
My mother's sister gave it to me. Like we went to Turkey, right? So there she gave it to me.
So here's a little advice for you. Never approach your parents directly for buying a hoodie. They think hoodies are a waste of money. A clothing that shouldn't have been come. Okay. उनको लगता है, when my brother wears a hoodie, my mother is like, ये क्या भिखारी हो जैसे कपड़े में. And I feel offended. I'm like, Mom, please don't do that. That's not bhikhari, that's super cool. I mean, why would you say that? So that's the thing. Never approach parents for hoodies directly, okay? See, the Eminem brothers are smart, they work their way out. हाँ, grandma को पकड़ो तो hoodie मिल ही जाएगा. Clear formula है. Okay, instant result. Farhana got it from her mom's sister. Yes. Amina, how about you?
I just convinced my parents, but they got it to me after 2 months and winter was over.
There you are. See, the theory proved right. It took 2 months for her parents to convince themselves, forget Amina, to convince themselves that we should buy a hoodie for our daughter. Okay, so yeah, that's it. So Muni, so take notes, children who don't have hoodies, take notes. That in order to get a hoodie, you got to catch a person, a mediator, a connective that can get you to the hoodie. All right. Now, okay, enough time wasted. How about we start with the game? Yes? Ready? Okay.
Yes.
So it's a Kahoot game. Let me see. Okay. Too many tabs open. Is it true that when you open too many tabs, the computer or PC or whatever technology you're using, it gets slow? Yeah?
No, ma'am.
No? It's just bad internet,
How
right?
did I exit that fashion thing?
Ah, sure, please. Okay, what did I do? Yeah, there you go. Uh, how do I share this? I give you a link for it or the code?
Good.
You give
And
the
the link
link,
both.
link and code.
Ma'am, only the code,
Send the
ma'am.
link.
The link. First the link. That's right. Makes sense. Okay, open your chats.
It's already open, ma'am.
Very good. There you are.
How
And
to
I'll
click
go.
on the link?
Wait, I'm going hunting for the code. Okay, the code I'll type it in the. I'll type the code in the chat. Why is this music so loud? There you are. So you have the link and you have the code. Go ahead.
355.
35552.
Thank you, ma'am.
35532.
Just checking how many fives are there. Hoodie started. The
Mudabbir is in. Abdullah Saqib is in.
Abu, come here. Come here. I have a question for you.
Mr. Mango. I have 3 people in.
I don't have Kahoot on my on this laptop, so then how do I play it? It's not allowing me to play it.
So open a new tab in Google. Go Kahoot. Enter the pin. And there you are. I have only 3 people in. What are you guys doing? Are you joining or no? Madam, you're
I
coming?
don't have Kahoot in this phone, so I can't do it. Not happening.
Then watch. I'll share my screen.
Okay.
Madam, there you go. Is it just me or you find this music annoying?
Very annoying.
So much better. So much better. Very annoying. I don't know why I was dancing. But only 4 people. Saklen, good to see you, man.
I'm
Munib,
joining.
come on. Munib, Humaira. Only 5 people. Khaja, let's go, people.
I my
Wonderlights.
name, but my name is not there.
We'll just put anything. Miss Aga or anything. Grey hoodie. Come on. Name yourself as Grey hoodie. Softy, Safia. Yes, here children we learn about patience, where we patiently wait for others to join the game. That's it. 6 players. Humaira, are you joining in? Farhana can't join. She doesn't have Kahoot on her mobile phone, so that's fine. Humaira, how about you? You're joining? Amina? What's your status?
I'm playing the quiz.
You are playing the quiz already? Fine. Let's get started. Khaja. 10 questions only, huh? Go. We started the dash trend. Me Too trend, TikTok trend, PUBG trend, athleisure trend. Mango at the top. What material did the brands use for designing the hoodies? Which material? Triangle is polyester, diamond is jersey, square is cotton, circle is silk.
मेरी दादी बोलो किसके है साल के मुझे भी स्टोरी समझ नहीं आ रही है अल्लाह कैसे निकाल सकती है अब मेरे को समझ में आया ट्रेनिंग तभी की खराबी समझता कि की खराबी ऐसा तुम लोग के
somebody is watching something or what?
लाइन से क्यों ऐसा लाइन से
There you are. Let's see. Yes.
It is not showing a question.
Okay, I'll read it out for you. Which brand first designed the hoodie for athletes? Triangle is Champion, Diamond is Adidas, Nike is Circle, and Square is Puma. Okay, who's that? Mudaffar leading? Good to go. Mudaffar is on streak. Okay, what did the athletes complain of? Triangle, body feeling cold. Diamond, head feeling hot. Circle, body feeling hot. Square, head feeling cold. Wow. Very good. Let me see who's that. Mudaffar. Okay, hoodie is a symbol of dash and dash. Let's see. Triangle is unique look. Fashion and designing is diamond. Circle is comfort and democracy. And square is culture and rituals.
सेम जो तुम्हारी ये शब्द का करती है ना सेम ऐसा ही करता हूँ तो कंपेयर करने में क्या हुआ यही क्या हुआ
Okay, somebody's parents are talking at the back. Kindly mute yourself. I should mute the conversation. Okay, name the boy that was killed in Florida Feb 26. Okay, triangle Mark Zuckerberg, diamond Michael Jackson, circle Trayvon Martin, and square is George Floyd.
Within
10 seconds you'll answer. That's cool.
ये भी दिमाग की
Nice. Mudaffar is on streak.
तुम्हारी बहन के
Question number 7. To which meeting did Mark Zuckerberg wear a hoodie? Triangle World Bank, Diamond, United Nations. Circle, Facebook employees. Square, Wall Street investors.
है याददाश्त में है ना और 15% ना देखो क्या उसको फील होता है उसको
Too easy now. I should have made it a little difficult. Hoodies have had a cultural impact on the society. True or false? Triangle is true. Diamond is false.
अपने घर पे मसाले भी दी
Question number 9. The concept of hoodies has originated from triangle robes, diamond headscarf, circle hat, and square hood. You will be like, ma'am, what is this primary answer? Senior KG answers. That's how multiple choice questions are. Okay, Mango one. Mr. Mango has come. 10. In which year did the Champion Sports Apparel design its first hoodie? Triangle 1920, Diamond 1660, Circle 1820, Square 1760. Safia, I cannot hear you.
For this.
We can hear Daud sir taking some class. All right. Abdullah Saqib! Mr. Mango! Woohoo! Oh, Mozam and Softy runner-ups. Perfect.
पहले आसमान पे आने खाते ना वो बोलते हैं मत खुलता है वो मत खुलने का टाइम लगता है
Lovely, lovely. The quiz was very easy. Tell me it was easy. Was it easy? Yes. It was very easy. Please, for people of your age, it was. Maybe like them catch to quiz. Anyway, there we are. Here we end the sessions in today's class. We spoke about hoodies, how did it originate, okay, and yeah, so we saw how it had impact, a cultural impact on fashion, but it also had its drawback. And then again, it is back in action. So hoodies are good and comforting, and hope you enjoyed the session. Bye
मैं बोली झगड़ा करा है किसके बीच में
You guys are done? That's already over? Perfect. All of you get up from your seat, go out, drink water, nobody go outside.